Hello, good morning guys. Now I'm going to cook porridge. The porridge, the binignit. We call it binignit. With the sweet potato, the corn, the sweet orange purple potato. Also the pandan leaves guys. And now I'm putting the sagu. The small ones. Then you kachaw it. Now I'm putting the coconut milk guys. Yummy coconut milk. And then you pour it. You mix. See the pandan leaves guys. Nice smell. Mabango siya guys. Mabango with the pandan leaves. And put the brown sugar. I use the brown sugar, or you can put the kinogay, the mera, gula malaka mera. That one, use also that one. Then you mix again, so you can search for your taste. If you want sweet or not so sweet, up to you guys. Yummy, looks delicious. And don't forget to put a pinch of salt to balance the taste. Mauna na siya guys. Lami kay siya guys. Dili lang kay simpleng binignit guys ha. I enhance the flavor with pandan jud siya. Lami jud siya guys. Masaon si rewit man niya akong baba. Naay mga baligya pero ginoo ko. Murag dili ko satisfied sa lami, so ganhan ko magluto-luto guys nga sa unsa anang masatisfied ko sa lasa guys. Thank you.